Have you ever imagined creating ultra-realistic cinematic videos just by typing a simple text? With Seedance AI, this is now possible. This next-generation AI video tool converts your ideas into professional quality videos in seconds. Simply type a description like a futuristic city at night with neon lights, and watch as Seedance AI brings it to life with stunning visuals, smooth animations, and cinematic camera movements. Whether you are a YouTuber, freelancer, marketer, or content creator, Seedance AI allows you to produce high-end videos without complex editing or expensive equipment. Its advanced AI algorithms understand your prompt and generate cinematic landscapes, realistic cityscapes, nature scenes, and even space visuals with incredible detail. From typing your prompt, to processing, to rendering the final video, everything happens seamlessly and fast. Seedance AI supports multiple styles, including cinematic, documentary, and realistic 4K outputs, and is compatible with YouTube, Shorts, Reels, and TikTok formats. Imagine creating engaging social media content, product advertisements, educational videos, or storytelling clips in minutes. Content creation has never been this easy or powerful. By using Seedance AI, you save time and effort while achieving professional results. You can focus on your ideas, let the AI handle the visuals, and produce videos that captivate your audience. Whether it's a slow-motion cinematic city, a serene nature scene, or a dynamic space animation, Seedance AI transforms your vision into reality. So, if you want to create stunning AI-generated videos in minutes, Seedance AI is the ultimate tool for you. Try it now, explore its features, and see how your text can become breathtaking videos. And don't forget, if you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the kind of AI videos you want to create next.